visibility with strong wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 78 and 81. Interstate 57 near mile marker 169. Locations impacted include Taylorville, Pana, Pawnee, Kincaid, Divernon, Morrisonville, Stewartson, Cowden, Tower Hill, Bogan, Jayceeville, Tovey, Herrick, Rosamond, Clarksburg, Sigel, Owanaga, Palmer, Oconee, and St. Chris Lake State Park. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and the National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a dust storm warning for northern Montgomery County until 4:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., blowing dust was causing severely reduced visibility in northern Montgomery County, affecting Interstate 55. Expected hazards include less than a quarter-mile visibility and blowing dust with strong wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 55 and Illinois Air Exit 63. Locations impacted include Nokomis, Raymond, Witt, White Oak, Farmersville, Colton, Wagoner, Hartle, Bowman, and Winona. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. The following is a summary of watches, warnings,